I welcome you for this React Prerequisites for Beginners Part 1 training course. Software Development Alternatives, Custom Tool Chains. In this lecture, we are going to see some more custom tool chains. ES Build. The main goal of the ES Build bundler project is to bring about a new era of build tool performance and create an easy to use modern bundler along the way. ES Build is a fast and simple JavaScript bundler written in Go and compiles to native code. Major features of ES Build: extreme speed without needing a cache, JavaScript, CSS, TypeScript and JSX built in, a straightforward API for CLI, JS and Go, bundles ESM and common JS modules, tree shaking, minification and source maps, local server, watch mode and plugins. This is the homepage of ES Build website. Terser, a JavaScript mangler or compressor toolkit for ES6 Plus. Terser recommends you use Rollup.js to bundle your modules as that produces smaller code overall. Terser is an industry standard minifier for JavaScript code. It shrinks variable names, removes white spaces, and comments and drops unused code. This is the homepage of Terser website. ESLint. ESLint statically analyzes your code to quickly find problems. It is built into most text editors and you can run ESLint as part of your continuous integration pipeline. ESLint is a tool for identifying and reporting on patterns found in ECMA script or JavaScript code, with the goal of making code more consistent and avoiding bugs. ESLint is completely pluggable. Every single rule is a plugin and you can add more at runtime. You can also add community plugins, configurations, and parsers to extend the functionality of ESLint. ESLint is a configurable JavaScript linter. It helps you find and fix problems in your JavaScript code. Problems can be anything from potential runtime bugs to not following best practices to styling issues. Rules are the core building blocks of ESLint. A rule validates if your code meets a certain expectation and what to do if it does not meet that expectation. Rules can also contain additional configuration options specific to that rule. ESLint contains hundreds of built-in rules that you can use. You can also create custom rules or use rules that others have created with plugins. This is the homepage of ESLint website. The next agenda is Software Development Alternatives Custom Tool Chains Session 4. I thank you for participating in this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture.